These are the wild parrots of Long Beach. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one over there. One. And then there's one down there. 6 of these parrots sitting on the power lines over outside the Thai barbecue at Temple and 7th. Hi, babies! Wild parrots of Long Beach. You can see them in the trees and all over. Oh, there's another one, I think. Maybe 2 more. They look like they've got a little privacy going there. Oh no, it's he's having a bath. Do you see it? He's on the power strip, on the cross beam. No, there's 2 of them. Yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. 8 parrots sitting on the power lines.